Healthcare workers in the Western region vetted by the Ministry of Health and Wellness as part of National Healthcare Workers Day celebrations, and 6,000 youth to be employed under the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development's Youth Summer Employment Program YSEP. These and more in this episode of Western Roundup. Food, fun, and frolic were the order of the day for healthcare workers in the Western region as they converged at Paradise Park by the river in Savannah-Lamar, Westmoreland on July 13. The event, which was staged on National Healthcare Workers Appreciation Day, was well received by the health professionals.
Today we're having a Western Regional Health Appreciation Day for all health workers working in a Western region. You understand me? And we're glad for that and we love that. And we think health workers are supposed to get this on a regular basis. You understand? This is very good and we love this. And we thank the Minister for putting on this one. We deserve a day like this because we work very hard, tirelessly. Sometimes we go home, we're tired, I just sleep, we want to sleep. So when you get a day like this, we really appreciate it.
Well, we are grateful. That's for one. We have been working all year round during this pandemic. We're 2 years in now, and we think we deserve it. We deserve some enjoyment, a little time away from work.
I'm having fun. We are frontline workers, and as you know, the phrase frontline means that we are always called out at any given time. And during the pandemic, trust me, we work so hard. We're so tired at the moment. We really need this to just unleash.
Celebrating with the health workers was Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who expressed his appreciation for all workers.
This is Western Regional Health Authority, and you are hearing your numbers, and guess what? I feel so good. I feel so good because guess what? You deserve it. Today is exactly what we envisioned when we put together this month of celebration and recognition and appreciation for healthcare workers. We started off the month with a number of church services where we gave God thanks, and will continue to give Him thanks for His blessings, for His guidance, for His protection, particularly during the last 2 years, 2+ years of the COVID pandemic. So many of you went well beyond the call of duty. You worked long hours. The country, Jamaica, depended on you to give them the protection, to give them the advice, to give them the treatment. Many people were so afraid, but you were brave. And it's not that you don't deserve thanks every single day, because we're going to continue to show it on an ongoing basis. But we want this to be special.
The month-long celebration features a series of events and activities at the parish, regional and national levels to recognize healthcare workers. The month is being celebrated under the theme, Honoring Commitment, Service and Sacrifice.
Trelawney in the house! Hey, Trelawney! Big up yourself! Big up yourself!
Over in Westmoreland, some 6,000 youngsters from across Jamaica will be engaged in gainful employment over a 6-week period under the government's Youth Summer Employment Program YSEP.
YSEP brings young people from all around Jamaica into a special working and learning relationship with the Ministry of Local Government, the municipal corporations, and the Social Development Commission as the primary actors. The program offers young people the chance to earn while carrying out critical tasks and learning new skills. Consistent with today's theme, the youth are our future, let's empower them, the program has and continues to do much to infuse and maintain hope in our young people.
The national initiative, which is in its 6th year, was officially launched at the Manning School in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland on July 15 by Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Minister of Local Government and Rural Development Desmond McKenzie. YSEP participants, who will begin work on August 8, will be placed in public sector organizations, a practice that has proven beneficial to past participants.
Cohort of 2022. Let me tell you, you will receive far greater benefits than that of a financial one. Initially, I was assigned to the Human Resource Department at the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation as an Assistant Secretary. My task included development preparation for my fellow participants who went out to do data collection in various communities regarding signs, businesses, streetlight audits, and much more. While I enjoyed working in the office, I was also assigned to the teams that went out on the street. It was a great experience. I learned important skills that I have never learned at secondary or even the tertiary level. YSEP aided in my growth and development as my level of communication increased and I became far more confident.
The young men and women will earn $10,000 weekly, with team leaders earning $11,000 per week. The YSEP program was initiated to help reduce youth unemployment across Jamaica. That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.gm. Until next time, stay safe.